Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that can transform the way you learn. Have you ever wished you could pick up new skills or knowledge in a fraction of the time? Well, you're in luck. We'll be exploring 10 powerful techniques that can help you learn anything quickly and efficiently. From leveraging technology to adopting effective study habits, each method is designed to boost your retention and understanding. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, these strategies will engage you and make learning a breeze. So stick around as we uncover these effective learning techniques that can change your approach to acquiring new skills forever. Let's get started. To maximize your learning efficiency, it's essential to define specific learning objectives. Start by identifying what you want to learn and why it matters to you. Understanding the purpose behind your learning can significantly boost your motivation. Once you have a clear objective, break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach makes the learning process less overwhelming and allows you to track your progress more easily. To ensure your goals are effective, use the SMART criteria. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to learn Spanish, try, I will learn 50 new Spanish vocabulary words in the next month." By setting clear goals, you'll create a focused roadmap that guides your learning journey and keeps you on track. Engaging with the material through active learning techniques can significantly enhance your understanding and retention. One effective method is to practice retrieval by testing yourself on the material. This not only reinforces what you've learned, but also highlights areas that need more attention. Another powerful technique is to teach the concepts to someone else. Explaining ideas in your own words helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Additionally, incorporating real-world applications makes learning more relevant and relatable. For instance, if you're studying a scientific concept, try to connect it to everyday situations or current events. By actively engaging with the material through these hands-on activities and discussions, you'll create a more dynamic learning experience that sticks with you long after the lesson is over. In today's digital age, utilizing technology can greatly enhance your learning experience. Start by exploring educational platforms like Khan Academy or Coursera, which offer a wealth of courses on various subjects, allowing you to learn at your own pace. These platforms provide structured content that can help you grasp complex topics more easily. Additionally, consider using flashcard apps like Anki for spaced repetition. This method reinforces your memory by revisiting information at optimal intervals, making it easier to retain what you've learned. Don't forget the power of visual learning. Watching tutorial videos on YouTube can provide clarity on challenging concepts and offer practical demonstrations. By leveraging these technological tools, you can create a more interactive and engaging learning environment that caters to your unique style and needs. Organizing your learning time with a study schedule is crucial for maximizing retention and focus. Start by allocating specific time blocks for studying each topic, ensuring that you dedicate enough time to cover the material thoroughly. This structured approach helps you stay on track and prevents last-minute cramming. It's also important to include breaks in your schedule. Short breaks can help prevent burnout and maintain your concentration, allowing your brain to recharge and process information more effectively. Aim for a balance between study sessions and downtime to keep your motivation high. Finally, stick to your schedule as closely as possible to build a consistent learning habit. Over time, this routine will not only enhance your learning efficiency, but also make studying feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Visualizing information through mind mapping can significantly improve your understanding and retention of concepts. Start by creating diagrams that connect ideas and concepts visually, allowing you to see the relationships between different pieces of information. This technique helps to organize your thoughts and makes complex topics more digestible. To enhance memory retention, incorporate colors and images into your mind maps. Using vibrant visuals can make the information more engaging and easier to recall later. Additionally, it's beneficial to review and update your mind maps regularly. This reinforcement helps solidify your understanding and keeps the material fresh in your mind. By utilizing mind mapping as a study tool, you'll create a dynamic and interactive way to learn that caters to your visual learning style and boosts your overall comprehension. To improve long-term retention of information, practicing spaced repetition is a highly effective strategy. Start by using spaced repetition software, which can help you schedule reviews at optimal intervals. This method ensures that you revisit material just as you're about to forget it, reinforcing your memory. Initially, focus on difficult topics more frequently to build a solid foundation. By concentrating on challenging areas, you'll enhance your understanding and confidence. As you master the material, gradually increase the time between reviews. This approach allows your brain to consolidate information over time, making it easier to recall in the future. By incorporating spaced repetition into your study routine, you'll create a powerful learning cycle that not only boosts retention but also transforms how you approach new information. Collaborating with others by joining study groups can significantly enhance your understanding and motivation. One of the key benefits is the opportunity to share knowledge and resources with your peers. This exchange can introduce you to different perspectives and study materials that you might not have encountered on your own. Engaging in discussions within the group allows you to clarify concepts and deepen your comprehension of the subject matter. Additionally, study groups provide a supportive environment where you can hold each other accountable for your learning goals. Knowing that others are counting on you can boost your commitment and drive to stay on track. By participating in study groups, you'll not only enrich your learning experience, but also build valuable connections that can last beyond your academic journey. Cultivating a mindset that embraces learning and exploration is essential for effective education. Start by asking questions and seeking answers that go beyond the surface. This inquisitive approach encourages deeper understanding and sparks your interest in various subjects. Additionally, exploring diverse perspectives and approaches to learning can enrich your experience and expose you to new ideas. Engaging with different viewpoints not only broadens your knowledge, but also enhances critical thinking skills. To stay motivated, connect your learning to personal interests and passions. When you see how new information relates to your life or goals, it becomes more meaningful and engaging. By fostering curiosity and an open mind, you'll create a lifelong love for learning that empowers you to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. To wrap up, we've explored 10 effective strategies for learning anything quickly. We discussed the importance of setting clear goals, utilizing active learning techniques, leveraging technology, creating a study schedule, and practicing spaced repetition. Additionally, we highlighted the benefits of joining study groups and staying curious and open-minded. Applying these techniques can significantly enhance your learning experience and help you retain information more effectively. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for learners like you. Thank you for watching and happy learning.